How to play padel. Step 1. Understand the basics. Padel is played on a court surrounded by glass walls. The game is similar to tennis, but with some unique elements. The court has service boxes, a net, and glass walls that are in play. Understanding the basic layout is crucial before you step onto the court. Step 2. Learn the scoring system. Padel follows a scoring system similar to tennis. Points are counted in sets of 15, and a game is won when a player or team reaches 40 points. However, pay attention to unique padel terms like vantage and game point. Step 3. Master the serve. The serve in padel is an underhand serve, and it must be delivered diagonally to the opposite service box. The ball must bounce before the opponent returns it. Practice your serve to gain control of the game from the start. Step 4. Understand court positions. Padel is typically played in doubles, and it's essential to understand court positions. Players rotate positions after each point, and communication with your partner is key for successful teamwork. Step 5. Get familiar with the walls. The unique aspect of padel is the presence of glass walls. You can use these walls strategically in your shots, bouncing the ball off them to surprise your opponents. Mastering wall shots is a skill that sets padel apart. Step 6. Practice the volley. Padel is known for its fast-paced volleys at the net. Practice your volley techniques to control the ball and keep it low, making it difficult for your opponents to return. Step 7. Perfect the smash. The padel smash is a formidable weapon in your arsenal. When the ball is high, use a powerful overhead smash to gain the advantage and put your opponents on the defensive. Step 8. Learn defensive strategies. Defense is just as crucial as offense in padel. Master the art of defending against powerful shots and anticipate your opponent's moves to control the rhythm of the game. Step 9. Understand the no-volley zone. The no-volley zone, also known as the kitchen, is an area near the net where volleys are not allowed. Understanding and respecting this zone is vital for fair play and strategy. Step 10. Work on footwork. Footwork is the foundation of any racket sport. Develop quick and agile footwork to move efficiently around the court, allowing you to reach shots and maintain control. Step 11. Play strategically. Padel is not just about hitting the ball, it's about strategy. Anticipate your opponent's moves, communicate with your partner, and adapt your strategy based on the flow of the game. Step 12. Enjoy the game. Above all, padel is about enjoyment. Embrace the camaraderie, celebrate great shots, and have fun on the court. The more you play, the more you'll discover the nuances and excitement of this fantastic sport. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to play padel like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more padel content, and let me know in the comments if there's another aspect of the game you'd like me to explore.